from Pune, days after a Pune court had rejected the bail pleas of 6 accused in the Porsche crash case. The father of one of the victims has hailed the decision and stated that the family is satisfied with the way everything is happening. He's expressed his hope that the bereaved families of the two deceased will get justice even if it gets delayed. The father of the victim has also demanded that the Motor Act should have a law that anyone who is aged between 16 and 18 and commits such a crime should be treated as an adult. We all remember how two IT engineers from Madhya Pradesh were killed after a speeding Porsche driven by a drunk teenager hit their motorcycle at Pune's Kalyani Nagar junction on the 19th of May. You can see those visuals. These are the CCTV visuals on that fateful day. People, of course, rushing to the spot following the hit and run. Meanwhile, let's first listen in to what the father of one of the victims has had to say.
नहीं, अभी जैसे हमारी तरफ से हीरे जी हैं, शिशिर हीरे जी, वो एडवोकेट लॉयर, तो उन्होंने जो उधर पे अपने बयान रखे, हमारी तरफ से जो भी रखे हैं, तो उससे हम संतुष्ट हैं कि सब सही चल रहा है। हमें जो देखने में आ रहा है कि जो बेल इनकी रिजेक्ट हुई है, तो उससे हमें ये लग रहा है कि अब हमें थोड़ा न्याय मिलेगा। थोड़ा सा भी ये लग रहा है कि टाइम जरूर लग रहा है, यदि इस टाइमिंग को थोड़ा सा कम होता तो हमें लगता है कि जैसे मुंबई वाले केस वगैरह हुआ, थोड़ा सा डर इन पे ज्यादा होता, तो वो जो केस हुआ मुंबई पे, तो वो सब केस न होता और आने वाले समय में जो इसमें निर्णय होगा, हम ये चाहेंगे जो निर्णय इसमें हो तो आने वाले समय में मिसाल बने, ताकि हर बाप अपने बेटे या बच्चों को ये समझाइश दे कि बेटा मतलब तुम संभल के चलाओ, या 19-18 साल से पहले गाड़ी न दो। तो ये हम चाहते हैं कि ऐसा होना चाहिए और आने वाले समय में ऐसा होगा, एक मिसाल बनेगी, मेरे को ये लग रहा है।
My colleague Pratmesh still with us on the broadcast. Pratmesh, what's the latest happening as far as the case is concerned?
Yesterday, we have seen the father of one of the accused has given the his statement over this. As the bail application was been registered by, was been rejected by the court, as well as he has oversaid that the Motor Act should be have a law that anyone who is a 16 to 18 age should be treated under the adult age in the adult code. As we have seen the way. This case was been happened. A 17-year-old boy who was driving a Porsche car around more than 150 km/h, and just he killed the two men over there. So after that, as we have seen at that time also, the way all the investigation was doing on, the way probe was over there on everyone, on the Agrawal family as well. So after that, the investigation was going on. Even his father was been arrested, mother was been arrested, grandfather was been arrested, as there was some suspicious things that were happening from the victim, from the family as well, the accused family. Then after that, now the big statement coming from one of the victim's father as well, that they are hoping for the justice, as this justice is taking a little bit more time, because the court is hearing the matter, as court needs to hear the matter in each and every way, that who is accused in this, and also the 17-year-old child was been sent to a juvenile court. His hearing is going into a juvenile court. So this will take a little bit long time to get the justice, as this Pune Porsche accident case was really a big case which was happened in Pune, and everyone was shocked after this incident, and everyone are hoping for the justice in this case. Yes.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.